It is Wine Down Wednesday, thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And we are in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with Kolucan. We are celebrating Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos. We are celebrating Halloween. We are celebrating Beats and Brunch on Sunday for hurricane relief. And we are thrilled to have a special friend with Nikki.
Oh, yes.
As well.
Yes.
So you guys are awesome at getting in the spirit. We love you to be here.
Thanks
so
for
thank
having
you.
us.
Thanks for doing
They're
this.
clearly no fun.
Yeah, really, not at all. They don't know how to put on a good time at all. Tell us what we're making today.
Today we're making traditional Chiles Rellenos.
And these are the biggest rellenos I've ever seen.
So
Holy cow, look at the size of these.
Yes, yeah, and then we're lucky. I mean, like usually they get a little smaller, they come a little smaller, but
They're
we got lucky.
beautiful.
Yeah, indeed they are.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, so you obviously roast these, right?
Right. So what we do at the restaurant, we put them under the salamander to blister.
Yeah.
So if you happen to have like a small torch, well, this is kind of small.
That's not a small torch,
Right.
Gino. That is a large torch.
This is the industrial
If you
color.
happen to have a blowtorch in the garage, bring it in.
So if you happen to have that, and then all you do is just kind of like blister it, you know, until it kind of the skin charts. Obviously doing it carefully. The process kind of like takes a few minutes. So until you get this,
So it looks like
see,
that.
it gets like that.
You could use a little creme brulee torch.
Yes, exactly.
Right, absolutely.
So when you get like that, you can put it in a Ziploc bag. Just let it sweat for a few minutes. Let it cool down, and then you peel them. You peel them, and then remove the seeds. You got a little slit in there in the middle, and then you just like get them ready
Scrape
for
them out.
stuff. Yeah, get all the seeds out.
Okay.
And on this one, we doing the traditional picadillo. Picadillo is ground beef with potatoes, onions, carrots, a little bit of peas.
Which I thought was Cuban. I didn't know that was in the Mexican culture as well.
Yes, we do have them over there as well. So so it's a kind of like a process, but if you know what you're doing, obviously that it gets easier.
That's why we should come to you.
Exactly.
I have a feeling this is a leave it to Gino situation.
Even though we don't have this at the restaurant, we have the vegan version at the restaurant. So so for our vegan friends and vegetarians, so that's totally vegan. This we're gonna do it the traditional way. So
are you gonna stuff one for us and show us how?
So
Okay.
this is our picadillo. Like I said, we have a little bit of veggies in there. So what you do, I like to put the cheese inside first.
That's a good idea.
It doesn't ooze out when it's
It'll be
cooking.
melted.
Yep. So
Everything's better
what you
with
do,
cheese.
yes, exactly.
So it's really an American stuffed pepper, just done Mexican style.
Right, exactly.
Okay.
So, but the difference though is that see when we do this, you just get them all ready, like you would have this over here.
Okay.
And then you want to get your oil ready, like
Oh, you're gonna dredge and
300.
fry.
Yes. So
All right.
this is what we do. It's coated
We're
slightly.
stepping back here.
Coated slightly, and this is egg whites. So egg whites.
Just egg whites?
Egg whites. Well, we once you get them to a point where it's like stiff thick, like
Right,
what they
soft
call
peak.
it. Yeah,
Soft peak or stiff
and then
peak.
so you just want to work it. I have this
All
somewhere
right, so
there.
you
See?
separated the eggs.
Right.
You're gonna whip them.
Egg whites first,
Okay,
and then
so
you
like a
just gotta-
meringue, but you're not going that far.
So and then you just gotta have to work it like a few minutes until you get it to the stage where it goes like this, and they just kind of introduce. We don't do all the egg yolks. We do a few of them. Just gonna introduce.
I was gonna say
some
we
of
could
the
make
flavor.
flan out of this, right?
Yes, they're not multi-purpose. Yeah, for
Which
that,
we have
so.
over here.
Yeah, I saw that. That's what gave me the idea.
Yeah, exactly. So
That's breakfast.
yes, exactly. So and then what Jose is gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can get this away. Jose is
Jose,
gonna.
that's really
yes.
cool.
I have never seen this.
This is quite a process.
Right, it is. So when and the sauce is made.
We're like backing up.
We don't want to lose our wine.
We've all been backing up. That's beautiful.
He's gonna
Okay.
gotta get it to it starts to golden brown and just kind of like keep turning it. So it's cooked all the way through. The picadillo is already cooked, so
Right.
you know
So you
wanna
just
make
put
sure
the
this-
crisp.
Exactly. So the sauce is made with tomatoes, garlic, and chipotle peppers.
Yum.
So yeah, and this is traditionally the way it's served. You want a little bit of sour cream and queso fresco.
Fabulous.
Yep.
It looks so fabulous.
It's nice that you have vegan options, and I feel like people don't really know that almost your entire menu is also gluten-free. You
It's
have
gluten-
very
like,
few things that are
90%
gluten-free.
Our menu is gluten-free because
Wow.
we use the majority. And even these, like we brought, it's rice flour. So,
Oh,
to
interesting.
that, yeah, exactly, make it vegetarian, well, gluten-free.
Gluten-free,
But,
right.
Yes, and yeah, so like we have, like I said, vegan and vegetarian options on the menu.
Can we talk about
The garnish on that drink.
Yeah, we're going to talk about the drink in 2 seconds. Right now, though, I want to know that everybody can go to the Day of the Dead party, the Day de los Muertos, on Friday from 6 to 10 in the Freda Lounge.
Correct.
Beats and Brunch is coming up on Sunday, and that is a hurricane relief fundraiser. So go shop, go drink, go enjoy Tracy and Nikki making drinks. And speaking of drinks, tell me real quick about this.
That is called the Vampirita, which is like sort of like a margarita with a little bit of red wine in it.
It's wonderful. But that garnish
And
is
look at that
everything.
beautiful garnish.
Very
All right, cheers to Wine Down Wednesday.